G'day guys, I'm just going to give you extra bit of explanation about how to do your writing for this week. You need to go up to Files here, click on that, and to go to Class Materials. And this is the document you need here, so open that up. Waiting for that to open up, and this is the thing that I want you to read. So this first bit of work and read here, that's what we did in class, and it's the introduction. And then what I'm showing you down here is the pictures and notes that we took in class from that film. And what I've done in the second paragraph here in red is to turn these notes here into a written paragraph, and that's my example. And that's all talking about this scene here where we see the Scoutmaster and all the scouts sitting at the table. And it's really just putting into sentences this information. That's my example for you. What I want you to now do is take this picture here with the boy on the motorbike and the boys in the background and the notes that we did in class, and I want you to turn that into a paragraph just like this one, but one that's about this particular shot. And that's your work for this week.